I wasn't filming. Oh my god. I used my Tatcha moisturizer all over my face. And then I used my Pores No More Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brandt. Looks like this. I got it in my BoxyCharm. I don't notice any illuminating properties with this. It does make my skin feel really soft though. It does. That was on. Cool. Okay, so I'm going to use this, which is from Pure Cosmetics, called Bronze and Brighten. There's Blushing Glow, Afterglow, and Mineral Glow. Show you the product. Ooh. That was so dramatic. So I'm going to use this blush that's in this palette because I want something that's like shimmery maybe. Could this be a mistake? Many of my choices are. This is such a creepy smile. I haven't used this blush before, so that was a first for you and me. I have used the highlight in here before. Girl, I love it. Whoa. Honestly, okay. So like I understand that like highlight is like popping right now and like everybody is always like freaking out over their highlight. I think it's just so funny to me when I'm watching these like beauty channels and they put highlighter on and they literally go, and like start screaming and stuff. I'm like, girl, don't be so extra. Don't be so extra. Ooh. It's like, yeah, it's pretty, but it's literally just some shimmer. I'm gonna use my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Isn't this bottle so cute? Why are little things so cute? Not all little things. Anyway, so I'm gonna spray my face. Does anyone else hold their breath when they spray this? Because I like almost put myself into like a coma. Is that what it is? When you stop breathing? I don't know. Whatever it's called whenever you like stop breathing. Death? Maybe? Sometimes I make up these like tunes in my head. I make up this like thing in my head. And I ask my boyfriend, hey, what's this song? And I like keep doing it and then I make fun of him because he doesn't know the song. And then I'm like, just kidding, I made it up. Sometimes I annoy myself. Okay, so I think I'm going to do things a little bit backwards today. Normally, we start in the crease. We, as in a collective, you and I. But I think today I am going to pack color on the lid. I'm going to take that like mustardy yellow and pack this all over my eye lid. I don't know why. Why did I choose yellow? Of all the colors in the universe, I chose yellow. Is everybody dying inside? So I'm going to take a cleanish brush. I mean, I haven't washed this one, but it's clean-ish. I mean, whatever. But I'm going to blend out those edges. So I think that's literally all I'm going to do for the crease is just what was just blended. So I'm going to take some concealer.
I am dead inside.
So I'm going to take some concealer on the back of my hand and a little baby brush. And I'm going to put it right on the center of my lid. I feel like this has been a pretty popular look lately. I'm going to put some more yellow on the edges in a minute. With this gold color, I'm going to wet my brush, which this is a flat synthetic paddle brush. I'm going to put that gold right in the center of the lid where you put the concealer. I'm going to kind of go all the way up like that, and I'm going to blend it out. And then I'm going to take some Rodeo Drive by Ofra. This is a highlighter. I'm going to go right in the middle. So I'm going to take some more of that yellow from earlier and pop it on the outer corner and the inner corner to blend everything. So on the under part, I'm going to start off with this angled brush and kind of like a lightish brown. And I'm going to go from the inner corner all the way out and then wing it up. Honestly, I might have just ruined it. Okay, But I am still going to make the bottom really smoky. What? I'm probably going to voice over the rest of this meal lemon. So I'm just kind of building up that darkness and smokiness under my eye. I go in with a little bit of a darker color and blend that out with a stiff kind of blending crease brush. And then I'm just taking a softer, fluffy brush and blending that out underneath the eye. And then I'm taking a little bit more of Rodeo highlighter right on the center of my eye because I lost some of that shimmeriness. Oh, and I also built up in the inner and outer corner with a little bit more of a darker yellow color. Now I'm being weird. And I'm lining my upper lash line and lower lash line with a black liner and blending everything out again. Now I'm adding a little bit of like a shimmery brown right under the eye, just to give it a little bit more of like a grungy look, and then I go in with a little bit of the Rodeo Drive highlighter again to give it a shimmerier, more grungy lived in look under the eye. And now I'm going to line my eyes with my Kat Von D tattoo liner and wing it out. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. I do have a full review video for this mascara, which is the Tarteist mascara, so I'll link it down below and you can check it out. Now I'm just taking any leftover foundation or concealer from my beauty blender and I'm putting that on my lips just to mute that color and then applying a nude lipstick. You're not in focus, you know that, right? You like it?
Yeah, buddy.
If you like this video, subscribe and like it and comment and do all that stuff, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!